Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Today I have not only brought the fun activity for you, but it also adds to the etiquettes as well. Today we will learn how to fold and arrange the clothes. Before doing this activity, tell me honestly, do you help your mother in arranging clothes? I really don't know whether you do or not. But yes, you must know how to fold and arrange your clothes. I will show you two pictures right now. You have to tell me which is the better way of keeping your clothes. So kids, are you ready? Let's see. This is picture number 1 and this is picture number 2. Yes, we should keep our clothes as seen in picture number 2. Very good. My dear kids, arranging clothes is not just a fun activity, but it should be inculcated as a habit. So let's learn the way of folding and arranging the clothes.
Hello friends, I help my mama in arranging my clothes. Do you help your mama? Okay, I will help you. Look carefully. This is a t-shirt and turn.
Very good, Harshit. Fold it.
Fold it and
Turn. Fold again.
fold again.
Turn. Very good. Is it done, Harshit?
Yes, Mama.
All the clothes are now folded. Let's learn how to organize them. Harshit, will you teach us?
Yes, Mama. Keep shirts together. Keep pants together.
Very good.
Done, Mama.
Good, Harshit. After folding and arranging your clothes, keep them in your almirah.
कभी कहीं नान पहले मेरी सॉक्स गुम हो जाती थी पर अब नहीं होती मैं आपको सॉक्स फोल्ड करना सिखाता हूँ
Very nice. Okay. Good, Harshit. Very good. Let's see the other pair also. Sometimes it is difficult for kids to tie the knot. So this is the easier way to keep your socks. Good. Are you done, Harshit?
Yes, Mama.
Good. Now, my dear lovely kids, try to fold and arrange your clothes on your own. Have a good day. Bye-bye.